Hi there, welcome to a new video, still on raw number system. This time we are looking at expressing recurring decimals as common fraction. When the decimal or the fraction is a terminating one, getting the decimal is very simple. Like we have 3 over 4 giving us 0.75. Likewise 4 over 5 giving us 0.8. What if we have 5 over 9? That is going to give us 0.555 and it's continuous. So we just put a dot on top of one of the 5s, so then we say it's continuous. That's what it means. Or 5 over 22. That is also giving us 0.2272727. So it follows in that order. So what it means is that 27 is the recurring. So you put 2 dots, you put one on the second 2, then one on the 7. And also 11 over 7. That is giving us 1.571428, 571428, and it also continues in the order, so it's going to continue 571428. So that one also you write it as 1.5 with a dot on top, 71428 with a dot on top. You can also decide to put dot on all the numbers in between 5 and 8. It still means the same thing. So now let's look at how we can change this. Looking at the first one, 5 over 9, what we do is that we're going to let a variable r be the recurring decimal, which is 0.555 throughout. Then we are going to multiply the decimal or the recurring decimal, which is our r, by 10. So when we multiply it by 10, what it means is that the decimal point moves one step to the right. So 10r gives us 5.555, also moving in that same recurring 5. We are going to do 10r minus r, and 10r minus r also means that we are going to have 5.555 recurring minus 0.555 recurring. And of course 10r minus r is going to give us 9r, and also 5.5555 recurring minus 0.555 recurring. The recurring cancels each other. They are going to have 5 minus 0 giving us 5. So we divide through by 9, then r becomes 5 over 9. So that's how we got 5 over 9. In our next question, we have 5 over 22. And that is 0.22727 throughout. So we are first going to let r be the recurring decimal. Then next we say we are going to multiply the r by 10. So 10r is going to move the point to the right one step. But over here, when we subtract, the decimal numbers are not going to be recurring straightforward, because 10r is starting from 27, but r is starting from 22, so it's not the same. So what it means is that we are going to multiply r by 100 now. When we multiply r by 100, what it gives us is that we are going to have 22.727272, which is not the actual recurring. Our recurring should be 2727. So now let's multiply r by 1000. When we do it this way, what it means is that we are going to have 227.27.27.27. So now let's multiply r by 1000. This is going to give us 227.272727. So the 2727 has appeared now, and it's going to have a similar recurring numbers like 10r, which is also 2.272727. So in our next step, what it means is that 100r was not relevant. So we are going to have 1000r minus 10r, because those are the two multiplications that gives us the same recurring decimals, which is going to give us 227.272727 recurring minus 2.272727 recurring. So the recurrence goes away. Then we have 990r giving us 225, which is going to be 227 minus 2. So we divide through by 990, then our answer becomes 5 over 25. That is when you cancel out. Let's look at our last one. We are going to let r be our recurring decimal. Then next, we are going to multiply r by a million. This time you're not going to multiply by 10 and the rest after understanding it. So we are multiplying it by a million. What this means is that we are trying to move the point to a position that is going to start our recurring decimal from its starting place. So we can see that a million times r gives us 1,571,428.571428, which is going to continue as 571428 in that order. So knowing this, our next step is going to be a million r minus r. This is going to give us the subtraction of our two decimals here, and this is going to give us 999,999 r equals 1,571,427. Now dividing through by 999,999, we are going to have 11 divided by 7 to be our answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Put on your notifications so that in our next video you'll be notified.